Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to Kemet, Blood and Sand, a thrilling game of ancient Egyptian gods and armies. In this video, I will explain how to play Kemet, Blood and Sand. The goal is to accumulate fame points through strategic actions and battles. To begin, set up the game board and choose your player color. Each player receives their unique components, including 12 units, 5 action tokens, 8 battle cards, and a player board. You will also place 3 pyramid levels in your city and 10 units across 2 districts, starting with 7 prayer points and 2 divine intervention cards. Gameplay unfolds across a series of rounds, each divided into a day and night phase. During the day phase, players take turns placing one of their 5 action tokens onto their individual player board. Available actions include praying to gain 2 prayer points, recruiting new units to bolster your forces, moving your troops across the board, raising your pyramids to higher levels, or acquiring powerful tiles. Remember, by the end of the day phase, you must have placed at least 1 action token on each of your 3 pyramid levels. Battles are a core part of Kemet, Blood and Sand, triggered whenever your troops enter a zone containing an opponent's forces. During combat, players secretly select one of their 8 battle cards and can enhance it with divine intervention cards. Total strength is calculated from your units, creatures, power tiles, and chosen battle card. The player with the highest strength wins. If you win as the attacker and retain units, you gain 1 permanent fame point. Power tiles, acquired with prayer points, provide powerful abilities and creatures to aid your cause. The ultimate goal in Kemet, Blood and Sand, is to achieve victory by accumulating fame points. The game concludes when a player begins their turn during the day phase with 9 or more fame points, and no other player has a higher score. Fame points can be permanent, earned through victorious attacks or sacrifices at the sanctuary. Additionally, temporary fame points are gained by controlling temples or fully upgraded level 4 pyramids. However, these temporary points can be lost if you lose control of their associated locations. Controlling 2 or more temples at the end of the night phase converts their temporary fame points into permanent ones.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.